What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious low-carb zucchini noodle recipe today. We're going to be making it with some shrimp. It's going to be really delicious, super fast, and simple to make. So let's get right to work. All right, so let's take a look at our ingredients really quick. I have here about a half a pound or so of large peeled and deveined shrimp. About a cup of sliced white button mushrooms. About 3 tablespoons of Kerrygold grass-fed butter. About a quarter cup of diced red tomatoes. 1 zucchini. About a tablespoon and a half of minced parsley. Olive oil. White cooking wine, about 1/4 cup. And I'm gonna be using a zoodle maker to make it. I guess it's called a spiralizer. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our noodles and get our pan hot. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our zucchini, cut both ends, just like so. We're gonna grab our zoodle maker and start the process. Just like so. And for those of you guys that don't know what a zoodle maker is, I've never used one. It's called a spiralizer, and it looks like this. You just put the zucchini and you just get the noodles out the other end, like so. I use the bigger side, which makes it thicker noodles. It has 2 sides. Let me see if I can get a clear shot of, and they're like that. They're about maybe 2 centimeters wide, 3 centimeters wide. Pretty nice. I cut them about a foot or so. So they're not too long. And this compared to pasta is like 1/10 of the calories. And it's actually really, really good. If you guys want to order like one of these zoodle makers and you can't find it in your area, you can order them on our store, healthyrecipe.store. The link will be below on the description. And we have a ton of really cool cooking gadgets that I've used and I'm still testing on there. They're totally awesome. It's got a little thing on the end, and then you just use that for the last little bit. Push it through. So no waste. That was the last little bit. Then you got this little piece here that looks like a cone, which I'm just gonna cut it into like 4 pieces and use that also. Drop that in there. And that's pretty much what we got. We got probably about 2.5 cups or so of zucchini noodles out of that 1 zucchini. So that's pretty good enough for a meal. Maybe for even 2 people if you don't eat a lot like I do. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over to the pan. Okay, and we got a pan here on medium-high heat. And basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and drop the mushrooms. That could have been a little hotter. I got a tablespoon of olive oil in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drop my tomatoes in here. You can certainly add fresh garlic in here. You know, also other veggies, whatever you like. You can certainly add fresh garlic in here. You know, also other veggies, whatever you like. So now we got our pan nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our butter. Shrimp. Once the shrimp are cooked a little bit, not even all the way through, let them get them a little pink. We're gonna go ahead and add our zucchini. Cooking wine. And now we're gonna drop about a half a tablespoon or so, actually about a quarter tablespoon of garlic salt. This is Lawry's garlic salt. Toss it around a little bit. Give it about a minute or so, and it will be ready to serve. So how simple that was, guys. Okay, guys, look at the beautiful color on this recipe. I mean, look at the beautiful color in this food. This is how you want your food to look, really colorful, full of nutrients. So I'm gonna take a little bit of pecorino romano, which is simply grated right over. Give it a little bit of that umami flavor, a little bit of that funk and saltiness. And now we're gonna take a fresh parsley. I'm gonna sprinkle it all around, and that will mix in there when we go in with our fork and create all that beautiful flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Okay, so this amazing recipe is ready for me to give it a taste for you guys. I'm gonna let you know how it came out. Smells delicious, looks amazing. Wow, so good. The parsley gives this an amazing flavor. It's buttery. It's got that nice garlic taste. The shrimp are incredibly tender, not overcooked, flavorful. This is so good. And there's so many ways you could do this recipe, even with red sauce, or so many ways. Guys, if you haven't tried zucchini noodles, I highly suggest it. Check out our website. If you need any gadgets, we have all kinds of gadgets for sale. I hope you guys enjoyed it.